We're so glad you're potentially interested in submitting a workshop to the AIM 2027 Chief Residents Meeting. This meeting brings together more than 1,000 chief residents from all around the country to learn from experts and prepare for a successful chief resident year. These 1,000 chief residents represent the rich variety of internal medicine programs all around the country. They come from programs big and small, from programs new and established, from programs in urban settings and rural settings, and from university affiliated, and community programs. As part of a chief resident meeting every year, there are a few plenaries and sessions that stay the same. And so every year, our chief residents get talks on the life cycle of the chief resident, kind of the whole arc of the year, sessions on leading morning report and remediating or helping struggling learners. They get sessions on conflict resolution and change management every year as part of the BUILT course. However, we feel like workshops are a really important part of the chief resident meeting, both to bring in different perspectives, but really to allow our chief residents the opportunity to individualize their experience and make sure they're leaving this meeting with the skills they need to thrive during their chief resident year. As you begin to think about topics for workshops for the chief resident meeting, I think it's really helpful to think about the many roles that chief residents can or may fill. They are clinician, manager, leader, scheduler, advocate, supporter, remediator. They play all these roles within the program. And when we build kind of our agenda and we look at workshops to accept, we really want to make sure we're targeting all of those many different roles that chief residents may fill. As you start to think about submissions, again, things we already cover, things like remediation, morning report, change management, those tend to be less likely to get accepted as workshops due to our goal to avoid duplication. As you do think about things you do want to submit, one really important thing to remember is for this meeting, because you're only a chief resident for 1 year, all 1,000 members, all 1,000 chief residents who are attending the meeting are coming for the first time. And so while we do love seeing kind of new, innovative ideas, while we love seeing things on the cutting edge, for our chief residents, we are also often looking for some of the classics, things like curricular design, leadership skills, principles of team leadership, ambulatory precepting. We love to see things tailored to the PGY3 chief resident, the unique sort of nature of that role being both peer and chief to your colleagues. When you submit your workshops, every workshop is reviewed by at least 3 members of our program planning committee. And what they're really looking at is the quality of the submission, kind of the quality of the idea and the content, the relevance to our chief resident group, the degree to which the kind of goals of the workshop align with our teaching methods, and the degree to which we feel like it's appropriately interactive and engaging for our chief resident audience. As I think about kind of, the common features of highly ranked submissions, the thing that really rises to the top are submissions that have multiple presenters, so have co-presenters from different institutions. Our chief resident group is incredibly varied, so we find that submissions that have presenters from multiple different institutions and multiple different types of institutions often provide the best and most varied perspective and make for really effective workshops. So as you think about submitting a workshop to this meeting, I'd really encourage you to connect with collaborators inside and outside your institution. And if you're looking for people to add to your team, would really encourage you to use the AIM listservs and community boards, post your great ideas, look for other people, and that can really strengthen the quality of your submission and increase the likelihood of being accepted. We're so glad you're thinking about submitting a workshop to the AIM 2027 Chief Residents Meeting. It's a wonderful meeting, and we'd love to see your ideas and the ways that you feel like you can help support our chief residents as they look forward to their year.